There are only 6 types of setups you will see in day trading. You pull out the chart from any day. It may be last week, it may be last month, it may be last year, it may be 10-year-old. It can be any instrument, any stocks. You will see that any chart is one of the 6 types of day trading setups. When you know that today which kind of setups in the market or tomorrow which kind of the setups going to happen, then day trading becomes much more easier, because you know that out of 6 which setup is going to be, and you know that where to enter and where to exit. And that is what today's video is all about, 6 types of day trading setups. Why I am making this special video on 6 types of day trading setup is, this is going to be one of the chapter in my new video course which I am launching this weekend, called Anybody Can Trade in Stock Market. And in that new course I have included this topic called 6 types of day trading setups. After making so many videos on YouTube, I have realized that there is not a single video which I made for the new traders. For a trader who is new to stock market or a person who is just entered stock market, for such people I don't have any video course. Whatever the videos I have on YouTube or whatever the webinars or whatever the courses I have, especially they are the advanced type of course. I have not done anything for the beginners. So there were many requests from my followers asking for the beginners course where I can start from the scratch, where I can start from the basics till the advanced level. I can discuss everything about the day trading, everything about the stock market from A to Z. So that is what many people requested me. So I decided to make one special video course called Anybody Can Trade in Stock Market, which I am launching this weekend. And that new video course, you can check it below my videos in the description section and also on my website. Now coming back to the topic, that is 6 types of day trading setups. And the first type of day trading setups is called trend day. What is the trend day? Trend day is more like a sprinter. If you know how a sprinter runs, the moment he hears the gun sound, he will start running and he will stop only at the finishing line, and he will never slow down in between, right? So that is how sprinter runs. Same thing, trend day also like that. On trend day, market opens at one end and it keeps running until market closes and closes at another end. How a sprinter runs from here, starting line, and he will keep running until the finishing line. Same thing on trend day, it opens at one end and it closes at another end. So trend day can be both sides, from here to here or from here to here, from down to up or up to down. So both are called trend day. Trend day is more like a sprinter, like how I said sprinter, he starts from one end and he closes at another end without taking any break. He keeps running. So look at this chart. Market opened here and it kept on going up, and finally at 3:30 market closed here. Non-stop running, right? So that is called a trend. Trend day can be both sides. Here you are seeing that open here and closed here. Trend day can be another side also. Trend day, it can open here and it can keep going, and 3:30 it closes here. So open here and closes here. Trend day. How to enter trend day, way to enter, way to exit, way to keep stop loss. If you could not enter here, then which candle you have to enter here. That all I discuss in my day trading with pivot points and price action webinar with 15 patterns and strategies. And let me share you one secret from my 20 years of trading experience. Most of the trend you will see on Mondays. Look at your charts, do some back testing, and you'll see that most of the Mondays are trend day, especially Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'm not referring to stocks, I'm referring to Nifty, Bank Nifty. But trend day can happen in any instrument. It can be stocks, it can be commodities, it can be indices, anywhere. But I've seen Nifty, Bank Nifty most of the time, Mondays are most commonly you will see trend day. And also trend day can happen after some long weekends. Also trend day can happen after a couple of consolidation day, or trend day can happen whenever CPR is very narrow or average size. So first type of day trading setup is a trend day. Now look at the second type of the day. Now second type of the day is called double distribution trend day. Double distribution trend day is somewhat looks similar to trend day, but it's slightly different than trend day. It doesn't have the same conviction like a trend day, not as aggressive as a trend day. How I gave an example of sprinter for trend day, double distribution trend day is more like a jogger. You know how jogger runs, Jogger doesn't run very fast, right? He slowly runs initially to warm up and then he increases his pace and finally again he cools down, right? Sprinters start from one end to another end without any slowdown. And in double distribution trend day, market slowly opens, makes a small initial balance, then takes up the speed, then start going in one side like a trend day, and it will slow down and again it cools down till the market closes. So that is the double distribution trend. Okay, this is the double distribution trend. Double distribution trend, I said, it's like a jogger, right? How a jogger is taking a time to start running. He is warming up here. So market also, you can see that market is making a very narrow initial balance for first 1 hour, and then it broken the initial balance low and made a big down move. And for rest part of the day, market stayed sideways. It's like a cooling down. How a jogger warms up initially, then he starts running, and then he will cools down at the end. So same thing, market opens making a narrow or an average initial balance, and then it starts going in a trend, and then again it takes a pause. So that is the double distribution trend day. Looks similar to trend day but not as aggressive as trend day. It is a double distribution trend. Why double distribution? Because one distribution here, another distribution here, and this is the trend. Again, just like a trend day, here also trend day can be both sides. It can be upside to downside, or it can be here then start in a big trend day and later part of the day it can start stabilizing. And now third type of the day is called typical day. In typical day, initial balance will be very wide. Market opens aggressively and makes a huge initial balance, very wide initial balance. It looks like going to be a big trending day. After that, it slows down. It slows down and it will stay sideways for rest part of the day. That means market opens here, makes a big move, and for rest part of the day, it stays sideways. It stays between that initial balance. That is called typical day. This is the typical day. Typical day, I said, it making a wide initial balance. Look at the initial balance, was such a wide initial balance. It starts with very aggressively, looks like it's going to be a big trend day. Then only first 1 hour it makes a big day. After that, for rest part of the day, you can see that market is staying in a range. So it is staying between the first 1 hour high and low. Neither it is touching the first 1 hour high, neither it is touching first 1 hour low. So that is the typical day formula. Now the fourth type of the day called expanded typical day. So this is somewhat like typical day, but the difference between typical day and expanded typical day. Typical day, I said, it makes a wide initial balance, and for rest part of the day, market trades between those two borders, initial balance high and initial balance low. In expanded typical day, initial balance will not be very wide, it will be average, but in expanded initial balance, it looks like market is trading between the two initial balance high and low, and somewhere in the mid afternoon or late afternoon, it breaks one of the range. It breaks the high of the initial balance or it breaks the low of the initial balance. So in the typical day, I said, it makes a wide initial balance and then it trades for rest part of the day. In expanded initial balance, it makes a initial balance 1 hour high and low, which is average, not very wide, not very narrow, and then it looks like it's going to be a typical day. Then suddenly it will breaks one of the border and starts going up, or breaks one of the border. It can be initial balance high or initial balance low. It can break any one border and it starts going down or starts going up. This is the expanded typical day. Expanded typical day, initial balance will not be very wide or very narrow. It will be average, and it looks like for some time it's going to be a typical day, but suddenly it breaks the one of the range. It breaks initial balance low or it breaks the initial balance high and then starts going down. If it breaks the initial balance high, that is also expanded typical day. Whichever side it breaks, that is called expanded typical day. Now comes the fifth type and very common type of market structure, that is called range day. What is a range day? Range day, if I have to give you an example, it is like a tennis match. If you have seen the tennis match, how tennis match happens, there will be a one player on this side of the court, another player will be on this side of the court, this player will hit the ball and this player will hit the ball, this player hit the ball, like one player will hit the ball to the another side will hit the ball to this side, and keeps going on between here and there, right? Range day also like that. Range day, market opens aggressively like a wide initial balance and it slows down, and then market comes to the low of the initial balance IBL, and from there it takes the support, again starts going up, and it goes and takes a resistance at initial balance high. From there again it comes down towards the initial balance low, again it starts going up towards the initial balance high. It will be trading between the high and low. The difference between expanded day, it will make a high and low. For rest part of the day, it trades between those ranges. It doesn't touch that range. But in the range day, it will start from initial balance low, goes to initial balance high, comes back to initial balance low, goes to initial balance high. It will keep touching both the borders. Trend day are the more rarest of day trading setups, and range day is the most commonly happening day trading. On a range day, market opens and makes a range, makes a initial balance, and for rest part of the day comes here one side of the initial balance low, then goes back towards another side of the initial balance high, comes down towards the another this one initial balance low, and again starts going up. It keeps moving from one end to another end. One of the end is initial balance high, another end is initial balance low. If you are my webinar student, if you attended my day trading webinar with pivot points and price action, you know that we discuss some setups where how to trade near the day's low, how to trade near the day's high. And now comes the last type, that is the sideways day. Sideways days are the most boring and most quiet day. That means market opens and makes a average kind of initial balance, and for rest part of the day it keeps trading between entire day at the same level. In expanded typical day, initial balance will be very wide. In sideways days, initial balance will be narrow or it will be average, and the rest part of the day it will be trading in the same range. It looks like all the traders are sleeping and they are not trading. So it will be very boring day. But if you are an option trader, then you know that on sideways days, how you can take the advantage of Vega, how you can take the advantage of Theta, which strategy you have to apply, that I discussed in my previously launched course that is called Option Strategies Made Easy. You can see the link below this video. And if you are an option trader, even on sideways days where market is not going anywhere, market is trading at the same place for rest part of the day, still you can make money as an option trader. And sideways days most commonly you will see before the weekend. How I said after the weekend trend days are more common, sideways days are more common before the weekend, maybe like Friday, or there is a long weekend is coming, last trading day, then you will see most of the time market stays sideways, or there is some event is coming up, maybe election result is coming up, or maybe there is a RBI policy, or there is some announcement is going to come. If there is any event is expected before that, you will see most of the time market stays sideways. So now let us look at some charts. For example, last type of the day, that is called sideways day. I said very quiet day, right? Look at the price action. It opened with a bullish candle, then it started, it looked like a trend day. It looked like it's going to go like this, but you see that after that rest part of the day, it's staying there only. Look at the range. You'll see this on weekends before any news coming up. Such time, market trades very quietly, trading in the same range for throughout the day. So these are the 6 types of day trading setups. I'm sure most of you may be in market for many years, but you never knew about these 6 types of day trading setups, which I have included in my new course, that is anybody can trade in stock market. That is one of the topic. Also I covered initial balance in the topic types of buyers and sellers. Starting from the basics A to Z, everything is covered about stock market trading. That is the new course. You can see the link below this video by this weekend. And if you are looking for advanced kind of day trading strategies, then my regular weekend courses, day trading with pivot points and price action, that you can join on this weekend. And for people who are into full-time job who can't do day trading, for them I have advanced swing trading strategies, and also I have course on option strategies made easy for people who are interested in options. And also guys, I have launched a new YouTube channel. You can see the link below this video at the bottom. That's my new YouTube channel. Click that link and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. And I know many people are requesting for live trading videos, and that also you will see me posting live trading video very soon. As you know that I was busy with post-production of my movie and it's almost getting over, and very soon you will see me making live trading video. That's it guys. Thanks and take care.